Barbera is one of Italy's most planted red grape varieties, and unlike many other Italian reds, Barbera doesn't have rugged tannins that make food a prerequisite for enjoyment, which makes this such an exciting variety for Australian makers and palates. We recently held a blind tasting of Australian Barbera, part of our deep dive series at younggunofwine.com. Our panel of winemakers and sommeliers picked their favourites, tasted completely blind. And this wine, the 2024 Golden Grove Barbera, was selected as one of the top wines. And in the glass, there's a delicious riot of blackberries and cherries, and that's balanced by baking spices and a salty edge, almost like Vegemite, along with a herbal tea-like thread too. It's light to medium-bodied with vibrant and zippy acidity and a cleansing finish. It's so moreish. While its home is the relatively cool region of Piedmont, Barbera's ability to thrive and retain acidity in hotter areas makes it a fine prospect for Australia's wide range of climatic conditions. And Golden Grove Estate was founded in the cool climate, high altitude region of Queensland's Granite belt in 1946 by Mario and Nita Costanzo shortly after they immigrated from Sicily. And today their grandsons, Ray and Jason, are third generation grower makers, with Ray in the winery and Jason in the vineyard. And in the early 2000s, Ray's father, Sam, planted Barbera alongside other Mediterranean varieties at Golden Grove, while much of the Granite Belt and indeed Australia remained focused on Shiraz and Cabernet and Merlot. Sam looked at the climate trends and took a calculated risk on these lesser-known grapes, and he became one of the key pioneers driving alternative varieties that now define the region's innovative edge. And the Barbera here sits at the very top of the vineyard at a whopping 800 metres elevation, and the site sits on ancient decomposed granite soils, which are nutrient poor and drain water quickly, making the vines less vigorous, which is important because Barbera vines can produce high yields, which could otherwise result in loss of fruit concentration. Some of Golden Grove's vines are around 80 years old, and their alternative varieties have brought great success and recognition to the estate over recent years. And, well, the proof is in the pudding, as they say. For the full results of our Australian Barbera blind tasting, head to younggunofwine.com. Cheers.